Two artists say they got an alarming email from the Oklahoma State Health Department about some rules it plans to enforce. Rules that were declared unconstitutional back in 2007. News 9's Angelicia Bruton spoke to an artist who says this will ultimately hurt people's livelihoods.
In 2006, Oklahoma passed a law legalizing tattooing.
And when those rules were promulgated, a couple of the provisions was the ones that were in question here.
Sabrina DeQuasey remembers tattoo artists argued being more than 1,000 feet from a school and church, along with having a surety bond, created hardships for artists. Court filings show the judge found the rules to be unconstitutional.
So that case actually was decided the next year in May of 2007 when District Judge Owens gave us the permanent injunction on those two provisions.
Fast forward to today. Scotty DeQuasey says he got an email from the Oklahoma State Health Department.
I opened it up and it's like a bunch of stuff that had already been decided on. Fault's not what we're worried about. It's just getting the problem fixed.
DeQuasey says these rules give artists less options when looking for a place to open their shop. For example, his shop is right around the corner from a school and a church.
We're not bad people. We're art types. We're generally gentle types of humans, so we're not a problem for your kid.
DeQuasey believes this all could be avoided if people from the tattoo community were involved in conversations centered around their industry.
I really want more representation in that room. I want somebody to be able to argue our points on laws that don't make sense. But currently we don't really have anything set up for that.
The rules were set to go into effect July 1st, but the health department tells us they're now assessing the 2007 order and will implement changes starting in November. Angelicia Bruton, Oklahoma Zone, News 9.